So hello friends, once again welcome to our new video, and in today's video I am going to tell you how can you recover your forgotten PIN pattern and password lock of your smartphone without visit the service center and without any computer and without any kind of data loss. So in this video, I am going to tell you some such method to unlock your locked mobile, which is completely different. This unlock method is different because here even after your phone is unlocked, all the data in your smartphone and had old data, whatever application was already installed in your phone, you will see it in your phone. Okay, so let's start this video. First of all, my friend, if you have any locked smartphone like Vivo, Mi, Motorola, Samsung, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, so in this video I am going to show you how can you easily remove. So first of all, in any smartphone you have to connect your charger first with your smartphone, okay, and after that you have to do the some action here. Okay, so first of all, before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your phone. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you, this method is updated every month. So if your smartphone is not unlocked with this trick, so then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's start this method. First of all, you have to open your emergency call option or on your smartphone. After that, you have to type a code here, and the code is *#333 *97056 and a *#, and you have to call this code for one time only. So click call and wait for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and go back to the home screen. Okay, after that you have to use random password here for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After starting this timer, you have to go to the home screen and shut down your Android smartphone. So you have to press the power button, press and hold. So you got the power switch off option. But in the Samsung phone, you have to press and hold all the options here like that, and wait for the few seconds. Your smartphone will turn off, and you can see here your smartphone is restarting. So wait for your phone will open here. First of all, I am going to tell you, you have to follow all the steps on your locked smartphone. Okay, and don't try to skip your this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your any Android smartphone. Okay, if you follow all the steps on your Android smartphone, so you will see your smartphone will unlock from this method. Okay, so let's start the new step here. You can see here your smartphone is restarted. So again you can see here your timer is still counting. So click emergency call option again and type here a code here *555, and this code name Google FRP removable code, means this code can remove your all kind of PIN, pattern, password lock in just only few seconds. It also unlock your fingerprint or face lock also. So you have to use this code, but this code will valid only for 1 month. If you are using this code in current month, then this code will work on every Android smartphone. But if you are using this code in another month, so you have to require those month Google FRP master unlocking code. So for that you have to subscribe our channel and comment us with your specific smartphone company name plus model name. So that's so after that our team will reply to you with a new code in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to use that master unlocking code to your smartphone. Okay, after that you can see here I am going to type the latest month of Google FRP code, means master unlocking code here. The code is *555#. Again 3 5 119 star hash, and this is the latest month of Google FRP code. So click this call option here and wait for 7 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and after that you have to go back to the home screen, and in this page you have to again try 5 times of any random password here. So I am going to use any random password here, and you can see again the timer has been started again also. So in this time you have to again restart your phone for last time. So press and hold your power button. So that's why your Android smartphone will restarting. But in this Samsung case you have to press and hold all the buttons here in the same time, like that. Press and hold and wait for restarting your smartphone automatically. If you seriously want to unlock your any type of Android pin pattern password lock, so you have to follow all the steps here from this method on your smartphone. Okay, so don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you know that you won't be able to unlock your Samsung, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, LG a smartphone. So you can see here we have lots of Android companies a smartphone here: Oppo, Realme, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, OnePlus, LG, Nokia, MI, Redmi, Poco. This method will work on every Android smartphone. Okay, and you can see here, my friend, this Samsung this Android smartphone is also restarted here. So I am going to take a last step here, and this step will open this Android smartphone. Okay, so after that you have to open your emergency call option again and type a master unlocking code here. This is the final code, and the code is star hash 6244379000 star 1 and hash, and after that you have to call this code for one time only, like that, and you have to touch the home button here and wait for the result. And you can see here, my friend, this is Android smartphone is unlocked now. Your pin pattern password lock is removed from your any Android smartphone, like that. If you are using using this method on your logged Android smartphone, and if you can't still unlock your Android smartphone, so you have to comment us with your specific model name, with your company model name. Okay, so you will be also able to unlock your Samsung Android, any Android phone on your table. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.